Okay, scoot back so he can push it to you. No, scoot the other way, the other way. Yay, Gus!
Okay.
Say, roll it to me, Gus.
Roll to me.
Yay!
No.
Well, you have to let him roll it. Watch, you have to give him time. Here you go, Gus, John. Here you go. Yay!
And now run in the grass.
Now go run in the grass. Good job, Gus. Good job, Mr. Man.
Oh, Mom. Maybe you have.
Good job, Gus.
Let me run.
Roll it back to me. Roll it back to Mama. Yay!
I'm tired.
No, you're tired. Were you exercising? What's your name again?
Bell.
Your Belle? Oh! Whoa! Belle, can you get the candle off? What's Gus's name?
Mitty Pot. Mitty Pot.
Who?
Mitty Pot.
Oh, careful! That was right in the face. You have to be careful.
That is nice.
No, he's a tough guy. Good job.